Hi, my name is Leslie Moselle and I'm from Tampa, Florida, and on behalf of Expert Village, I'm going to demonstrate the multiple uses of makeup applicators. Lesson 6, the eyebrow brush. Although this may be hard to see, the eyebrow brush is shaped at an angle to help you better apply your eyebrush powder. Lots of people like to use an eyebrow pencil, but the eyebrush powder gives a more natural look, and it'll help you fill in the hard to see spots, you know, the part where your eyebrows are a little bare, or if you just want to give them a little more color. You begin by just tapping your eyebrow brush into the eyebrow powder, whichever color you choose. And just start from the larger part of your eyebrow and work your way out to the end. The eyebrow brush is shaped in a way that it'll give you a nice, even, and straight line without being too dark, which sometimes the eyebrow pencil can do. They do sell the eyebrow brushes in a little bit larger form, but I like to use the little one. It's easier to handle, and it works just perfectly. And that's the eyebrow brush.